Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Venomancer. Your early game is crucial for setting up your team's advantage. Focus on harassing enemies with your Poison Sting, which applies damage over time. Place Plague wards strategically for vision, pushing lanes, and securing farm. Remember to grab runes and stack neutral camps whenever possible to boost your gold and experience. Always maintain safe positioning to avoid giving away easy kills to the enemy team. As you transition into the mid-game, your impact grows significantly. Utilize Venomous Gale to initiate ganks, slowing enemies and setting up kills for your team. Your Plague wards become vital for map control, providing vision and pushing out lanes. In team fights, aim to spread your ultimate, Poison Nova, to as many enemy heroes as possible, dealing massive damage over time. Keep pushing lanes with your wards to maintain pressure and secure objectives. In the late game, careful positioning is paramount for Venomancer. Your Poison Nova can deal over 725 damage over time, so aim to hit multiple key targets. An Aghanim Scepter significantly boosts your ultimate's damage and duration, making it even more potent. Consider defensive items such as Glimmer Cape or Force Staff to improve your survivability. Items like Shiva's Guard also provide armor and an area of effect slow, further enhancing your team fight presence. For advanced Venomancer play, consider using your Plague wards to block enemy neutral camp spawns, denying them farm. Wards are also excellent for scouting Roshan, providing vital information for your team. Effective communication about your ward placements and gank intentions is key to coordinating with your allies. Remember, your primary role is to disable enemies and deal consistent damage over time. Always carry a town portal scroll for quick rotations across the map and to defend towers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.